Hello there, I'm going to show you how to check the engine head gasket to see if everything is working normally. So the easy way also is just to open this one, which is the coolant tank. You can just look inside. You see it's really clean. I didn't change it since maybe, I don't know, 5 years, and it's always clean. But in case you notice that it starts to be dark, it's not the good color, it means that something is not going on normally. You can just throw something like that on it. I'm going to suck it a little bit and show to you. You see how it's clean, right? So it means that I have the good engine. Like and subscribe. See you for another video. Bye.